The World Health Organization (WHO) has expressed its commitment to continue partnership with the federal government and other stakeholders in the fight against malaria in the country. WHO Regional Director for Africa, Dr. Machindiso Moeti, disclosed this in Abuja at a stakeholders engagement on rethinking malaria elimination. Moeti urged the government to increase data availability and access for both government agencies at the national and subnational levels and for public use.
How as partners we can work closer together, more coherently together, in a more integrated way to ease the burden on the government side of working with all of us and to make the most of the resources that we will invest. Most importantly, the population, the community has to be involved, has to know. And for me, as somebody coming from outside, I can only thank and admire the leadership for making this very ambitious plan, but which I think is doable if we all work together.
Other stakeholders who attended the event equally shared their opinions on how malaria can be eliminated in the country.
It's a multifaceted approach. It's a whole of a government approach. We're involving the Ministry of Environment, the Ministry of Agric, and also Ministry of Education in our agenda to move ahead to eliminating malaria. A big part of it is use of data, and before we use data, we have to do research. There are a lot of we have abundant evidence out there that's already available to us to use on our strategies, on how we can begin to use all the tools available to us, combination of tools on our malaria elimination strategies.
I'm really so impressed about the laudable platform they've given people today to really discuss on new strategies to deploy in eliminating malaria. It's a fight for all. Zero malaria starts with me, starts with you, but it's a collective fight. Like you did mention that we have different strategies we want to deploy in eliminating malaria, but one of it is the use of nets. Beyond the use of nets, we have several strategies to deploy.
Malaria is a life-threatening disease caused by parasites transmitted to humans through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes, which occurs regularly and is widespread across Nigeria. Basil Okafor, Core TV News, Abuja.